Gold is still located inside the range area between 3357.05 and 3314.79. We can see yesterday the price was trying to move up and down, especially down, where the price was trying to make a bearish breakout below 3314.79 support level. But the price has bounced and retraced back up, and we can see that after that the price has tried to also reach an area of supply zone here at resistance level 3357.05, but unsuccessfully. We can see that, and the price formed a small bearish candle with a small body with a wick on the lower side, much larger than it is on the upper side, which means there was selling pressure active on the market, but the buyers have protected this area of support and demand zone. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see yesterday the price was trying to move up and down, reaching higher price levels, and we can see that the price was trying to reach 3314.79 and make a bearish breakout, but the price has only bounced from this area of a daily support. After that, the price has reached higher price levels, reaching 3343.00, and we can see currently the price is in between this area of resistance and the support level. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame to see how the price has behaved yesterday. Just a minute to find where is the start of the day. A day started here with this area of support 3343.00, and the price has reached this area of support, made a bearish breakout, reaching the next area of support. We can see that 3337.48. Here the price has stuck for several hours, could not make a bearish breakout and also bullish breakout. We can see that here, and eventually the price has formed a strong bearish candle with a large wick on the lower side and continue to lose its value. Reaching an area 3325.28, the price has stopped, just like a few days ago, where the price could not manage to go below this area of support. We can see that here for several hours, and also then a second attempt, but also yesterday the price was trying to move for several hours and then finally made a bearish breakout with this candle. After that, the price continued to lose its value with strong bearish candle. We can see that at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, reaching an area of support and bouncing from here. After that, the prices continued to rise in value with a pretty strong bullish candle, which means there was something on the market happening. A large volatility has formed this bullish candle, which is continued to rise in value, and we can see the price is stopped at 3343.00. The price could not manage to reach a daily resistance level at 3357.05. We can see that, which means there is no buying strength strong enough to cancel all of these bearish trend. So this means still indecision on the market between the buyers and the sellers, and currently the price is going down. We can see this is a bearish pin bar, suggesting further decline, where the next support will be 3332.99. After that, we can see that the area of support here 3325.28 will be again a great support, a strong support, where the price will have a problem reaching lower levels. This is something that the price will probably reach today, and after that we'll see how the price behaves. Today is also Friday, when traders get out from their trades, especially in the afternoon, which means price could reach this area of resistance, but then the price could also retrace back up because of the selling pressure that will push the price down, could go out by closing their sell orders, and then the price could trigger buying pressure. So this is something that could happen today, but we will see how the price behaves. So we can see that this is the area 3343 and also 3325 is very important resistance and support level that needs to be broken. Daily time frame also shows that the price is for several days stuck inside this range area, which means we need to wait until the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout on the daily time frame. After that happens, we can see that the next resistance will be 3390, or the next support level will be 3272. 4-hour time frame also shows us that we are inside the range area, especially the daily resistance 3357.05 and 3325.28 as a support level. These are the levels that are stuck and also preventing the price from reaching higher price levels or lower price levels. So we need to wait until the market makes a move and makes a clear bullish or bearish breakout. We can see that these large candles in the last days, which means there is something happening on the market, some kind of news that is affecting. So because of that, also the technical analysis does not work properly all the time. And we can see yesterday I had also a bearish breakout and also bullish breakout, suggesting further decline and rising value, but the price was jumping all around, and then the price could not manage to follow clear technical analysis. Now we can see that here it is a bullish breakout that has been formed on the chart, and then we can see the price had problems reaching higher price levels, but eventually has reached. But we can see the price was trying to move again down, trying to make a bearish breakout, but unsuccessfully. So we can see the news sometimes also makes an issue, but sometimes also go in the direction of the technical analysis. But when there are news on the market, it's best to stay out of the market until the market calms down, and then make the analysis and also enter the trade. So pay attention today. It's a Friday, it is the end of the week, so there will be also some kind of volatility that could also push the price up and down, like in these examples and also yesterday. So pay attention and also protect your account. That is the most important thing, to be ready trading for the next week. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.